Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for M&T Bank online banking account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in www.mtb.com and press enter. Soon after you do that, you will end up in the official website. Go ahead and click on the login option at the top right, which will then take you to the sign-in area. Now, locate the Enroll in M&T online banking link at the bottom on the right-hand side and then select your account type from the options. Now, you will need to provide some of your information in the text boxes. It'll include your account number that you've created with M&T, enter your social security number and your date of birth. If you want to go on with debit card information, go to the right hand corner and click on debit card information and enter your debit card number and click continue. After filling all of your credentials, click on the continue button and then on the next page, choose a unique user ID and a strong secure password and follow any specific guidelines provided by M&T Bank regarding the password strength. You may require additional steps to verify your identity, which will involve answering security questions or receiving a verification code via text or email. Follow through the prompts till the end and confirm your registration, and that should be able to sign you up with M&T online banking account. So that's how it's quickly and easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.